Alright, so here's my situation. There's this GitHub project called Zippy, and it's for running Z machine games in Python made by Infocom. They're the old style text-based games. So we can see if we go in here, so I have one file with my games, one file with Zippy in it, and so this is just copied straight from GitHub. So if I open a command prompt in here, I can go Python -m Zippy, and then the path to the game file. So there's that. And now we're running a game. So we can say here, nearby has one of those ugly molded plastic chairs. So I can go sit in chair, and I'm sitting in the chair. Great. Now, one thing that I don't really like about this is the fact that I have to, have my pre-prepared file name set up. So if I just go quit here, I have to be able to put in that entire file path, which is annoying. So instead, what I did is I made this script called runner.py, and so if we just edit that with idle, we can see here, basically, here it opens up a file dialog window, and then right down here it shoves that into that same command, but allows us to run it without having the file ready. So if I just run that, then you can see I can select the file for the game, and it launches right in here. So I'd like to make some other changes. Particularly, we can go here, and if I sit in the chair again, whoops, then I can type save, and it asks me for a save file name, so I can call it sitting, and then it's like, okay, cool. And then I can, go restart to start a new game, and then if I go restore, it'll ask for the file name again, and I can say sitting. Now it says failed, but then if I write this, now it says terminal room, I'm sitting on the chair. So it says failed even though it succeeded. So I'd like to look through and find why that logic says failed. However, because this is in this weird console system, I can't actually use any normal Python statements. Anything that prints to the terminal just doesn't show up because the game is taking over this terminal. And that's why I'd like to debug these things. Hopefully that basically explains my situation. Thanks.